Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 Maintenance Light Reset. Now, we are going to use the screen right here, the navigation system, and we might going to use these buttons right here. The back button, the scroller, and the scroller also act as a button, so you can press it for enter. Just like that. Now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now if you have a touchscreen, then go ahead and use the touchscreen to reset your maintenance. But if your screen is not a touch screen, then go ahead and use this button down here. Okay, now I'm going to use the button just in case your vehicle is not equipped with the touch screen. So go ahead and use the scroller. Scroll to applications, enter on applications, scroll down to vehicle status monitor, enter on it. Scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, and if you have the touchscreen, just go ahead and tap on whatever you want. Go ahead and enter on maintenance, and go ahead and schedule your maintenance. Go down to reset, enter on reset, scroll to reset, and go ahead and hit that reset button. Okay, now press back. Go ahead and press back. Now go down to oil change. Enter on oil change. Scroll down to reset. Enter on the reset. Scroll to reset and go ahead and hit that reset. And there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.